Hey there guys, it's Misty here, welcome. So I'm gonna film this really quick update video and I'm gonna put it up on both the TheJollyFatElf channel and the At Home with Misty channel. I've been dealing with some health issues and I spent last weekend in the hospital anticipating a Monday. I called me an appointment. I had an appointment yesterday. He wanted to do a procedure this morning. Unfortunately, insurance wouldn't say yes, so it may happen Monday. Anyway, and then on top of that, Wednesday, I don't know if I've developed vertigo or what, but I have had the most insane dizziness ever that I've ever had. And it's been pretty consistent. So I have an appointment for that on Monday too. So with all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and take the rest of this week. Wait, today's Friday. Okay, so I missed the videos yesterday. I'm gonna take all of next week off from posting on both channels. I may film a quick update on the At Home with Misty channel after I find out what the heck is going on. But I just want to take some time off without any added stress of trying to get videos posted, number one. And with the dizziness, it's really hard for me to create anything at all. It's hard to read. It's hard to just sit here and look at this phone. I mean, I'm having a really hard time with this dizziness stuff. So I have an appointment for that on Monday, unless the scan run long, or whatever he's doing runs long. So yeah, so I'm gonna be off for the next week. If you are a member of my stamp camp, you will still get your information on the 1st as promised. If you've placed an order in April, you will be receiving your thank you gift the 1st of May as well. Sunday is also my birthday. I'm gonna be 40. So hopefully Rob and I will have a chance to just relax and enjoy the day. He's been working so many hours. It's been kind of insane. So that's what's happening. So if you don't see anything from me, that's why. And I apologize. I mean, I was hoping that I was going to have a year free from doctors and illnesses and mystery diseases, but it doesn't look like that's going to be the case. So yeah, so that's it. Thanks so much for joining me. Again, I apologize. I'm really sorry that I'm not gonna have any content for you, but at the end of the day, I have to take care of me first. And right now, I just have to make sure that I don't fall. That's kind of my biggest concern, is that I get so dizzy, I feel like I'm gonna fall down. So anyway, that's it. Roxy's gonna go scratch. Roxy, come here. Roxy. Come here, you wanna say hi? Come here, Roxy. Say hi, look, Roxy. She hates being picked up. All right, so now I'm gonna go. Try not to fall over. I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.